Thursday, the storm system will continue to move on off to the north and east, and the
be a giant explosion.
Significant flooding. One of them might actually be all day today.
What day is it?
But I'm also feeling like maybe these numbers could have been a little bit. Still pretty darn strong.
Yeah.
All right, Melissa, I've just come over from the hotel and I'm catching up here as to what's happened over the last 8 hours. It seems as though
Another on this behind.
It's just wet. Okay, I'm not the first one.
But don't go away too fast, Melissa. So one nice thing that we can say about the situation, if there's anything we can say nicely, they were extended and they still are.
Kind of impressive, right? Nearly 12 inches. I slept okay. And it's still battering us. Record flooding.
And Karen Rogers is in the house too. Above, both of those. 6'9".
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
All right, Melissa, thanks.
Well, hundreds of people are
Stop by the 6 ABC studio. What day is it?